Welcome to another episode on digital transformation. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting developments in business management: artificial intelligence, AI algorithms. These algorithms are revolutionizing end-to-end business management, helping leaders optimize all operational areas, from finance and production to human resources and customer service. In this video, we will explore how AI algorithms work to make more informed decisions, automate processes, and maximize efficiency at all levels of an enterprise. AI algorithms are mathematical models that can autonomously learn, analyze, and make decisions based on large volumes of data. In business, these algorithms enable companies to automate processes, optimize resources, and predict future results, helping managers to make better and faster decisions. From predictive analytics in sales to customer service automation, AI algorithms are applied in all areas of the business to ensure that results are maximized. One of the main uses of AI algorithms in the enterprise is strategic decision-making. Thanks to its ability to analyze large volumes of data in real time, AI can help managers forecast market trends, anticipate demand, and adjust business strategies based on predictive scenarios. For example, AI algorithms can identify hidden patterns in sales data, helping marketing teams adjust their campaigns and prioritize resources in the highest performing areas. Automation is another major benefit of AI algorithms. Instead of relying on manual processes, companies can use AI to automate repetitive tasks such as inventory control, supply chain management, or financial planning. These algorithms allow operations to be adjusted automatically, ensuring greater efficiency and reducing operating costs. For example, in a factory, AI algorithms can adjust production levels based on projected demand, preventing overproduction or stockouts. In finance, AI algorithms can analyze historical and current financial data to predict market fluctuations, manage risk, and improve budget planning. This enables managers to make more confident and strategic financial decisions. Companies such as JP Morgan are already using AI to analyze large volumes of financial transactions and detect risks before they become problems. In addition, algorithms can suggest adjustments to investments and budgets based on projected outcomes. A great example of how AI algorithms are revolutionizing human resource management is Google. The company uses AI to analyze employee performance, forecast hiring needs, and improve talent retention. With predictive analytics based on performance data, Google can anticipate when an employee might need additional support, plan training, or even foresee when there might be turnover, allowing managers to take action before problems escalate. The benefits of using AI algorithms in integrated business management are obvious. Operational optimization. By automating processes, inefficiencies are eliminated and resources are maximized. Improved decision-making. Data-driven decisions enable managers to adjust quickly to market changes. Cost reduction. Automation and trend forecasting save resources in all areas of the company. Improved customer satisfaction. AI can personalize experiences and improve customer service through predictive analytics. Artificial intelligence algorithms are transforming how companies manage their operations, optimizing resources and improving decision-making at all levels. If your company has not yet implemented AI solutions for integrated management, now is the time. If you want to know how to integrate AI algorithms in the operational, financial, or strategic management of your company, contact me on LinkedIn for more details. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on how technology is revolutionizing the business world.